Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder with dry fruits. Creating your own protein powder at home is a fantastic way to ensure you are consuming natural, wholesome ingredients. It's surprisingly simple and allows for complete customization to fit your dietary needs and taste preferences. We'll cover everything from selecting the best dry fruits and nuts to the blending process and proper storage. Get ready to boost your nutrition with a delicious, homemade supplement. Selecting the right ingredients is key to a powerful protein powder. Opt for dry fruits like dates, figs, or raisins, which provide natural sugars and energy. For protein and healthy fats, include nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews. Don't forget seeds like chia, flax, or pumpkin seeds, offering fiber and essential omega-3 fatty acids. You can also add a quarter cup of rolled oats for extra carbohydrates and texture, making it even more filling. Once your ingredients are chosen, it's time to blend them into a perfect powder. First, ensure everything is completely dry to avoid any clumping. Use a powerful blender or food processor, starting with the harder ingredients and gradually adding the softer ones. Blend in short bursts until you achieve a fine, uniform consistency. Store your fresh protein powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, and it will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 weeks. Now that you have your homemade protein powder, let's talk about how to enjoy it. You can easily mix 2 to 3 tablespoons into your morning smoothie, a glass of milk, or even stir it into yogurt. This natural supplement provides sustained energy and aids in muscle recovery, especially after a workout. The best part is its versatility. You can experiment with different dry fruits and spices like cinnamon or cocoa powder to create endless delicious variations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.